Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the difference between CollaNote Free and Premium to help you decide which version is right for you, so make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Let's begin with the free version. The free version is excellent for students and casual users, offering features like smooth handwriting, PDF annotation, audio recording, real-time collaboration. It also includes custom papers, templates, stickers, and cloud syncing without ads. The main limitations: you get fewer pen styles and no AI handwriting recognition. On the premium features, there are more pen styles, AI handwriting to text conversion, advanced organization tools, extra stickers, and template. It also offers priority support for faster assistance when you need help. Best of all, it is available as a one-time purchase, which makes it great value if you want those extra features. So which one should you choose? Go with CollaNote Free if you want a powerful free note-taking app with handwritten PDFs and collaboration tools. Upgrade to CollaNote Premium if you need AI handwriting recognition, better organization, and more customization. That's the comparison between CollaNote Free and Premium. Thanks for watching.